With the release of the new Appion Speed-Y, you may be wondering how it compares to a traditional T-fitting. The Speed-Y's body is built out of aircraft-grade aluminum. This allows for a larger internal diameter. This increase in diameter over brass castings removes the narrow restriction, allowing full flow through the Speed-Y. The Y shape allows for a smooth combination of flow paths over the conventional T shape. The T fitting on the right shows the collision of refrigerant that is caused by directly opposing paths. This collision of refrigerant alongside the small internal diameter of the cast T fitting becomes a restriction. With the enhanced flow path and large diameter of the Appion Speed-Y, you can drastically improve the recovery and evacuation rates. Contact your preferred local distributor to get yours today.